In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Wacom tablet to Mac. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Mac desktop or a MacBook, you can easily connect to any Wacom tablet model. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do the actual physical connection and how to set it up with the necessary drivers. So the primary way to connect it is going to be with the USB cable that is provided when you buy your tablet. So all that you have to do is look for the USB port at the side of the tablet and then plug it in accordingly. So you plug one end into the USB-C port on the Wacom tablet and the other one goes into your Mac. There is no secret to this. It is by far the most convenient connection option and it's not going to introduce any sort of latency. You can opt to use Bluetooth instead, so some models will have a button at the side or some form of triggering pairing mode, and if this is the case for you and you would like to use Bluetooth, then just press the button or the specific combination of buttons to enable it, go into the Bluetooth settings, and your Wacom tablet will be discoverable. However, I don't recommend Bluetooth because it can introduce a lot of latency. The USB cable method is always going to be more reliable. So after you connect it, either through Bluetooth or using a cable, it's important to download the drivers. So this is how the port looks like if you needed some additional confirmation, and the driver will be acquired through the official website. So go to wacom.com and in here look for the option to download the drivers. So just look for Wacom device drivers Mac on Google, and in here you can download the latest version of the macOS driver. You can also look for a specific product model, but usually this isn't needed. Just click on download here. You will run this file, go through the process of installing it. So read the introduction, agree to the terms, choose the destination, and then install it here. Once it has been successfully installed, you will have access to the Wacom Center with a bunch of options related to the features of your Wacom tablet, customizing your pen, your stylus, touch and gesture settings, the buttons, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Wacom tablet to Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.